Welcome to the Terrace Garden Secrets.
Do your plants grow slowly or die quickly? The problem is usually not the water or the sunlight, it's the soil. Hi, I am Kiran, your terrace garden expert. Welcome to my channel, Terrace Gardening Secrets. In this video, I will show you the perfect garden mix for your terrace garden and explain every ingredient and minerals and how each one helps your plants grow faster, stronger and healthier. By end of this video, you will know exactly how to prepare nutrients-rich soil for vegetables, herbs and flowers on your terrace. Why normal garden soil doesn't work? Normal garden soil becomes hard and compact in pots. When that happens, plants' root cannot breathe, water gets stuck and plants start dying. Terrace gardening soil must have three important qualities: good drainage, a proper nutrients and enough air for roots. The ideal soil mixture for terrace garden is 40% red soil, 20% vermicompost, 30% cocopeat and 10% of perlite. So the added advantage of rice husk and a dry leaf compost, this combination gives the perfect balance of nutrition, drainage and aeration. Let's see the basic ingredients. Let's see our first ingredient, which is red soil. It forms the base of the potting mix. It provides important natural minerals such as iron, magnesium, calcium and potassium. So the second ingredient is compost or vermicompost. Compost is the main food source for plants. It contains important macronutrients such as NPK, nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. Vermicompost also contains beneficial microbes that improves soil fertility. The third ingredient is cocopeat. Cocopeat is made from coconut husk fibers. Its main function is water retention and aeration. It holds water for a long time, keeps the soil soft and fluffy, and improves root growth. This helps terrace plants survive even during hot summer days. The fourth ingredient is perlite. So the alternative for perlite is the sea sand. So this improves drainage. So without proper drainage, roots starts rotting, soil becomes muddy and plants stop growing. Do we have an optional mineral addition? Yes. I highly recommend you can use additional minerals in the potting mix. You can add a few natural minerals to make the soil even more powerful. Here are some optional ingredients used by experienced gardeners. The neem cake. It acts as a natural pesticide and fertilizers. So the benefits: it prevents soil pests, add nitrogen and trace minerals, and it protects plant roots. Add 1 handful per pot in your potting mix. Next is bone meal. So this is rich in phosphorus and calcium. It helps in strong root development, better flowering and strong plant structure. Use 1 or 2 tablespoons per pot. Next is Epsom salt. So this contains magnesium and sulfur. So the benefits: yes, it makes leaves deep green, improves photosynthesis and helps plants absorb nutrients better. Use 1 teaspoon per liter of water once every 15 days. So mix all 4 ingredients: red soil, compost, cocopeat and the part of perlite, and finally add a neem cake, bone meal and a little wood ash is optional. So your nutrient-rich terrace garden soil is ready. Final tips for best plant growth in your terrace. Before planting, always use pots with drainage holes. Place the small stones at the bottom of the pot. Water soil lightly after filling the pots. The soil mix works perfectly for vegetable, herbs, flowers and fruits grown on terrace gardening. Now we need the ecosystem balance. From the tiniest microbe to the deepest root, it's all about balance. If you feed the soil will feed the plant. In my next video, we will see how additional micronutrients given to the plants such as manganese, zinc, copper, boron, chlorine and nickel and many more micronutrients which are very beneficial to the plants. And also understand about the non-mineral nutrients such as carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. And let's learn how plants absorb air and water through photosynthesis and respiration. If you are a beginner and don't know where to start, don't worry, I am here to guide you step by step. In this channel, even if you have just a small terrace or balcony, you can start your own garden. I just started like you with zero experience and today I grow my own food at home. So trust me, you can do this too. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe for more terrace gardening tips. In my next video, I will show you how to grow vegetables easily on your terrace using this soil mix. Happy gardening!